I am Chanel Matthews and this is Unfiltered. We're in World Cup season. Who do you think will win World Cup and why? We spoke to football fans to hear their predictions.
Portugal, because Ronaldo is playing and Ronaldo is the best baller out there. Nobody else.
They don't mind the share, but I think France is going to win because Mbappe is the GOAT, and yes.
Brazil is going to win. Just because Brazil is going to win.
I believe Argentina will defend the World Cup because they have a team that is coming together, and by the time it gets to the semi-final, they'll get to the final and defend successfully.
Yeah, my leaning is that France will come out victorious. I'm looking at Argentina, but in the end I think France will be the victor.
Well, Brazil should win the World Cup. Reason being, it has been some 20 odd years now since they last win the World Cup. And the first time Brazil did win the World Cup was in the United States. So I'm expecting Brazil to come through this World Cup. And we have a good side, so yeah, Brazil for me.
I personally, I think it's between England and France. The reason being, those two teams have strength in depth. England very tactical, and France have a good bench. So I personally think England is in my heart, but I still like the French. So I think this is between the English and the French.
Argentina, we have the best team. Always have the best team. And we're going to win back to back. Not a long time a country don't do that, so back to back. Argentina.
Germany, my side. Yeah.
One Brazil, always Brazil. From my little youth, I saw them win '94 World Cup. My father explained to me what go on. See them in '98, see them in 2002, win it back. Kaká, my favorite player of all time. So one Brazil.
Netherlands for the money. I'm going to tell you something. No people understand what Netherlands is. Never lose a match coming in World Cup. Never. Now 3 times we got World Cup final, I will never make it. But God can bless us this year. Up and out. Netherlands for the money.
I think Brazil will win the World Cup because we have a very strong squad, a rich football tradition and talented players. One Vinny on the app, one Vinny on the wing.